Yo, happy Thursday, public safety peeps. Jason Karp, Esquire from the Public Safety Network, bringing you the news of the day. This is the Public Safety Network's nod to public safety. Get it? Nod. See what I did there? News of the day. Yeah, you get it. So let's get down to it. You give me 3 minutes. I'm going to blow your mind. So let's start what's going on in space. SpaceX, Elon Musk just launched their latest SpaceLink broadband satellites, their low Earth orbit satellites. They now have 600 orbiting the Earth to provide broadband services, particularly to rural areas. So far, there's been some testing by Ookla. Results look pretty promising. Download speeds of anywhere from 11 to 60 megabits per second. Upload speeds of 4.4, 4.5 to 17.7 megabits per second. So putting that in context, on average, rural broadband speeds today average between 10 and 20 megabits per second. So certainly on the upper end of the spectrum of what SpaceX is achieving, not bad. Their goal, 1 gigabit per second operation, 12,000 satellites. So they got 600 up there now. They got a long way to go, but this could be an awesome supplement to LTE and to radio, especially in rural areas and in the Western United States for public safety. So we'll keep our eye on that. What else is going on? Flying. DJI, the largest drone manufacturer in the world. They're having some troubles with COVID. They're laying off a significant amount of their sales and marketing workforce. They reduced by 2/3 their global workforce, actually, their global sales and marketing workforce from 180 down to 60. What they've said is that they've got to realign their personnel to best fit their growing needs given the challenging global conditions. What does that mean? Does it mean they're in trouble, not in trouble? I don't know. They're a popular drone manufacturer. A lot of agencies have used DJI drones, so let's keep our eye on that, see what happens with that company. Sounds like they've got to make adjustments just like everybody else. Panama City, Florida, Chief Alex Baird resigned effective immediately for submitting for recertification, EMT recertification, 20 firefighters when only 7 of them actually met the requirements for recertification. I don't know what's going on there, but at the time of this reporting, there were still 5 firefighters who hadn't met the 30 hours required training and were out practicing EMT services despite the lack of certification. No good. We can't do this. Get your training and let's keep everybody safe and happy. Finally, federal Operation Legend. We talked about this a couple weeks ago. This is the joint federal state initiative to help eliminate violent crime in certain states. Started in Kansas City, was named after Legend Taliaferro, a 4-year-old boy who was shot and killed in his home. Operation Legend has expanded from Kansas City to St. Louis and now into other states such as New Mexico, Indiana, Tennessee, Ohio, Wisconsin, and Michigan. Pretty good results so far from what we've seen. There's been some arrests made, but not everybody in the locality is happy about this. The Memphis City Council passed a resolution saying, we don't need no stinking federal resources down here to help us fight violent crime. Well, you can imagine how the feds responded to that. With all due respect to the Memphis City Council, they said, we don't need your permission. Federal law trumps state law. So a little bit of controversy going on with federal Operation Legend. We'll see what happens. Hopefully everybody can play nice in the sandbox and we can rid our streets of violent crime. That's the news in 3 minutes. My name is Jason Karp, Esquire from the Public Safety Network. News of the day. You stay safe, you stay healthy. I'll see you tomorrow.